How to recover deleted post or video on Instagram. Guys, if you have accidentally deleted a post or video from your Instagram account and now you want to restore it, then keep watching this video because in today's video I'll tell you how you can do that. So without wasting any of your valuable time, let's start the video. So guys, to recover the deleted posts or videos, first open the Instagram app on your iPhone. After opening the Instagram application, now click on the profile icon on your iPhone. Tap the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner. Now swipe down and find your activity option and tap on it. On the next page, swipe down and tap recently deleted to see a list of all the posts or videos you have deleted. All posts and videos that you have deleted intentionally or unintentionally will appear here and you will be able to restore them very easily. So select the post you want to recover. Then tap the three dots next to your Instagram username and choose Restore. Then tap Restore to confirm your action. So guys, by doing this, your deleted post has been put back into your account. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.